Most people in the market tend to overcomplicate things and lose money because of it. These are 5 mistakes that most traders are making on a daily basis that are not only holding you back from making good profit, but also maybe frustrating you in the process. Mistake number 1, trading without a plan. What are you doing hopping in and out of trades without making a plan beforehand? If you're hopping in and out of trades without realizing what price is doing before those levels even happen, then you didn't make a plan beforehand. You need to make a plan. And making a plan can be as simple as saying, let me open up the chart and see where I think price is gonna go. When it gets there, I'm gonna do something about it. So let's say I'm just looking at BTC right here. I see this order block that I like on the 4-hour. I think price can go to retest 112.5 eventually. I'll go put a short limit for that plan and set an alert for when it happens. So when price comes to that point, I'm not in the dark. I'm ready to execute. I have my limits set, my alerts ringing. And even if your plan doesn't play out to your liking and you do take a loss or it never hits, be okay knowing that at least you had a plan. Mistake number 2, emotional trading. You ever get in a trade, price goes down to your stop loss, takes you out and bounces right back to your entry? Well, I have too. I see a lot of times people enter in on that same trade. Whenever it takes them out, it comes back to entry. They enter that trade, take a loss again. That's happened to me before as well. Don't be emotional with trading. You might not even be in a trade. You might have missed all the moves of the day, and then you get FOMO and want to hop in on the top of something. That's emotional trading. You weren't in a trade, you want to get into something. You get antsy to be in a trade. You're lacking patience. All these things are things that I can include as reasons why a trader's failing, but I think that all goes under the same bracket. Do not be emotional in your trading. Mistake number 3, do not overcomplicate your strategy. Stick to your strategy. If you have confluences and they've been working out for you, clearly you're trading leverage for a specific reason, right? Either you're just beginning or you've been into it for a while. There's a strategy you like. Not every atmosphere is one for you to trade, and that's okay. Some things require patience, some things require you to gauge what price action is happening. Let's say you like to trade demand. If there's a 4-hour level of demand on SOL that I want to play, I am going to trade it with a sufficient stop and be okay with letting that trade play out. If I'm a support and resistance trader, I am going to trust my levels of support and resistance, and when these levels break or if these levels hold and flip and whatever the case may be, I am going to respect that. I'm going to trade it as such. I'm going to be patient, and I'm going to risk the appropriate amount at these levels. You're staying consistent throughout. Mistake number 4, ignoring risk management. You cannot ignore risk management. It's so important that you stay in the game. You need to have powder to be able to make those trades that you want in the future. So let me take it onto the chart. If I'm looking at SOL again and I see we're just dropping down and dropping down, either you're gonna look for shorts with easy invalidation, but you're gonna tone down the risk because you're already entering towards the low end of these lows, right? So people are gonna be looking for longs naturally in that level. Tone down the risk. Whenever we're trading in these ranges here, and you have a clue for what could happen the next leg down or the next leg up, increase the risk with a sufficient invalidation, whether it be below these lows for a long around these levels, or whether it be above these highs for a short around this level. Have your risk management down pat. Be able to withstand the losses. Be able to know when we're trending in a specific direction to thus increase the size in your positions. And all these mistakes have a lesson in them. This is all going to better you in your trading overall. And the mistake that everybody knows, but nobody wants to talk about, greed. Everybody goes through it. If you have the chance to secure that future on a big trade, make sure that you take that profit. I've round tripped plenty of trades where I looked at it in hindsight, I said, damn, I could have secured X, Y, and Z. A lot of the times though, you have to go through those gut-wrenching round profit stories to be able to not do it again. Learn from mistakes if you've gone through it, and if you haven't, you're blessed to learn that other people have gone through it so you don't have to. Don't be that person that's regretting not taking profit. As always, I appreciate all the support. All my links are down below. You guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next.